McGrail.
Yeah, Ben McGrail's there, as you can see, Exhibit A. And it's not just about overnight stays, is it, Ben?
No, it isn't. I'll just say that the locals here, the locals call it Brian. Brian. It's like 2 syllables, would you believe? So it wasn't too far off, sir. But it's a great place here, Brian. I'm always amazed when I come to Brian because you have to specifically drive to get here because you don't really pass through Brian. You drive to get here, and when you get here in the summer, it is absolutely packed. There are 5,000 people on site at this holiday resort now. But you don't just have to come for those overnight stays because I've been spending some time on the beautiful Brian Down, and it is absolutely stunning. And I've put together a piece that is on ITVX at the moment, exclusively on ITVX, and it looks at the history of that place that goes back to Roman times, and we speak to some of the people who've chosen to go there for a day out. It's a stunning landmark really in Somerset and well worth a visit. So that's on ITVX right now. But as for those overnight stays, and you know, like I said, 5,000 people staying overnight right now here. This is the Unity Beach Holiday Park in Breen, and lots of people here. It feels, because it's such a big place, it feels quite quiet. But the Lancaster family are here from the Midlands. Hello, guys. Nice to see you, Claire. You guys own a place here, don't you? So you could be coming for the last 6 years or so.
6 years, yeah. We've owned a caravan on this site.
What brings you here every year? Why do you love coming back here? Why did you choose to buy?
Basically the facilities. So we've got the swimming pool, the gym, the entertainment complex, and obviously this new entertainment complex is amazing. We absolutely love it. And also the theme park as well. There's lots to do here, so it keeps us busy and entertained the whole time.
Absolutely. Who's winning then, Finn? Is it you?
We're getting there. Is it you? Come on.
Right, you have a good game, guys. Keep going. Right, let's bring in Dermot then, who's from Unity. So Dermot, I gave some of the stats. 5,000 people staying overnight. How many are you expecting this summer overall here?
Well, the peak summer 6 weeks are really, really important to us and really, really important to the tourist industry in Somerset. We'll see about 250,000, that's 250,000 overnight stays over the next 6 weeks. And you know, our bookings are looking really, really positive. We're 25% up on what we were at this time last year. We look like we're going to be full the whole year. We're expecting to be 97% occupied, and we're really looking forward to seeing everybody. And I think when you take on top of that the investment that we've put in the facilities here, we have a £3 million upgrade to the offers. We've completely revamped our entertainment offer. We've completely retrained our team. We're ready for summer.
Thanks, Dermot. Have a great summer. It's going to be a fantastic time here and across Breen right throughout the summer.
Oh, lovely. Well, have